Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create zip code rules for the product page. First, go to your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Zip Code Rules. Next, select Delivery Zip Code. You'll now see two options on your screen. Click on the first option, Create Zip Code Rules for Product Delivery Area. Now, it's time to create a workspace. Enter a name for your new workspace. This name will help you identify and manage delivery zones more easily. Next, choose how you'd like to input your zip codes. If you want to enter them manually, select Manual Entry. Enter the zip codes and estimated days, then click on Submit. You can always go back to edit estimated delivery days, update zip codes, or delete entries if needed. If you have a list of zip codes, you can upload a file instead. Before uploading, make sure your file is in the correct format. Click Download Format to get the template. Edit the file with your zip codes, save it, and then upload it here. Once you've uploaded your zip codes, click on Submit. Once you've submitted the zip code rules, click on Go to Assign Workspace. Now choose where you want to apply this workspace. You have a few options. To apply it to all products, simply select that option. To apply it to a specific category, choose the relevant category from the list. Or to assign it to a specific product, search and select the product. You can assign this workspace to as many products or categories as needed. This makes it easy to customize delivery areas across your catalog.
Once assigned, your zip code rules are now active for the selected products or categories.
And that's it. You've successfully created zip code rules for the product page. For more tutorials and updates, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe. Need help? Reach out to our support team anytime.